Hello everybody and welcome to another session of Rapidminer, this time on grouping sensor data. So what you see here is a temperature sensor which measures, as you see it goes up here, and then it's going flat. It's going flat because it did not record any data. So what you often want to do is you want to split this into the cycles where there was something measured because this is one production run. You can use the operator generate session ID for it and just say, well, if there's more than a second of gap, then please create a new run ID from it or session ID. You can also do this if you switch here from second to none for normal sensor values, like if the pressure dropped by more than a bar, do this. What you get from this, if you run this, is this new column called session ID. And if I scroll down here, you see it jumps from 0 to 1 exactly where there is a gap of a minute in my date column. And if I now look at the visualizations, you can see the individual runs are colored by their session ID, and you now can process every of these cycles individually. So the key operator you need to know to split basically production runs into groups is generate session ID. Thanks everybody for listening.